Now let us find the area between bounded by these three curves. The first curve is x equal to 0. Okay, you know that x equal to 0 is nothing but equation of x equal to 0. What is x equal to 0? So x equal to 0 is equation of y axis. X equal to 0 is here. So first curve is x equal to 0. Where is second curve? Second curve is y equal to 2x. So y equal to x value is passing through origin, y equal to 2x also is passing through origin. So see, this is nothing but your y is equal to 2x. Okay, then what? Find a point of intersection. If you put what x is equal to 0, y will be 4. If you put x equal to 0, y equal to 4, point of intersection we can find out. Now the last curve is y equal to 4. Y equal to 4 is this curve, y equal to 4. Okay, so point of intersection we can very easily find out. Okay, and then yes, we take a strip parallel to either x axis or y axis. Okay, so let us take strip parallel to y axis. In that case, this strip moves from y axis. Y axis is nothing but what? X equal to 0. So strip moves from x equal to 0 yes to what? X is equal to 2. While its motion, the lower end is on what? Y is equal to 2x. Lower end is on y equal to 2x, whereas upper end is on y is equal to 4, and that is the limit 0 to 2 and 2x to 4. Okay, integrate that very easily. Okay, so inner integration limit is for which variable? Y variable. First integration is to be carried out with respect to y. Okay, integration of dy is y. Put upper and lower limit, you will get the answer equal to 4. Okay. Now let us have one more problem. Find find the area between y square equal to 4x. Note that y square equal to 4x is rightward open parabola, and 2x minus 3y minus 4, which is straight line. So you need to recognize this straight line. So put what? X is equal to 0. You will find that negative negative cancel. What? Y will be 4 by 3. So y is equal to 4 by 3. Yes, we get what? 4 by 3 is somewhere here. 4 divided by 3 is nearly 1. Okay, so nearly 1 is here. So y equal to nearly 1 is here. And then if you put y is equal to 0, x will be minus 2. Okay, so if y is 0, yes, x will be minus 2. X equal to minus 2 is somewhere here. Therefore you will be getting a straight line like this. So that straight line has 2 points. Okay, that straight line has 2 points. Okay, so that 2 points are like this. So first point is here. Okay, and second point is somewhere here. Okay, and straight line can be extended like this. So second point is here. Okay, so somewhere here we have second point. So this is your second point. Y is equal to minus 2. Okay, x is equal to 0. Okay, so with that what we can have straight line like this, and we have point of intersection of these two. So put y square equal to 4x here. So if you put or x equal to y square by 4 here, if we put x square is equal to x is equal to y square by 4 here, we get what? 2 by 4, that is equal to what? X y square divided by 2 minus 3y and is equal to minus 4. Multiply again by 2, we get what? Y square minus 6y, and what? If you multiply by 2, we get what? Plus 2 plus 8. Okay, so plus 8 is equal to 0. So if you solve this equation, we get two values of y. So first value y is 4 and second value y is 2. Okay, so we got two values of y. Okay, we got here two values of y. Y is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Okay, so if you put that values of y here, we get x values. So x will be equal to 1 and x will be equal to 4. So we get these 2 points. Okay, 1 2 and 2 1. Okay, so we are supposed to find region between these two curves. So this is the region what which is required area, for which we require area. Required area is r. So required area is a, or whatever you want, right? So is equal to double integration over the region r dx dy, and limit varies from. Okay, so if you taken strip parallel to y axis, that strip moves from this point. So this is nothing but x equal to what, x equal to 1 to x equal to 4. That's why limit for x is varying from what to what, 0 1, sorry, not 0, it is 1 to 4. Okay, lower end is on. Where is lower end? Lower end is on straight line. What is the equation of straight line? Yes, this. We require limit of y. So what is the y value of straight line? So y value of straight line is what? Minus 4. What? 3 is 3y is equal to 2x plus 4. So 2x plus 4 and divided by 3. Okay, 2. Where is upper end? Upper end is on equation of parabola, and we require value of y, and we have two values of y. Okay, so two values of y are what? Y is equal to plus or minus what, root 4x, and root 4x is what, 2x, 2 root x. So y equal to plus root x is upper part, y equal to minus root x is lower part. So it is what, plus 2 root x. Okay, so that is limit, and just you integrate with the help of that limit, you get the answer. Answer will be equal to 1/3.